Okay, this is the inside of my greenhouse. Over in this location are the batteries that are hooked up to the outdoor solar panels that run the heat. And this is just some of the greens I've been growing all winter. You can see different kinds of kale, garlic. This is another variety of kale. And then we have different lettuces. A few more garlic sort of stuck in there. We have romaine lettuce, leaf lettuce. And then I planted over here just about 2 weeks ago, probably not even 2 weeks, a variety of what's called mesclun that again will come up as different kinds of lettuce. And then back in the corner we have mint. And this mint, you can cut that off, put it in tea, dry it, or make tea out of it. And then I've got a few pots here that actually have seeds in them for squash, different kinds of squash. And this just happens to be a little pot where I threw in a few extra garlic. So we cut the tops off and then use them in stir fries. A couple of dead plants in the back there that I let go. This is celery that we actually started from bought celery, cut off the bottoms, and then sprouted them. And so we've eaten celery off of that. Further down here, I'm just in the back is some old greens. I planted some fresh greens in the front here about 2 weeks ago. That's going to be Chinese cabbage and some additional greens here. This I planted maybe about a month ago, so we've been harvesting this. Again, some different kinds of greens, beet greens. And then over here, we've got collard greens. And some of these plants are getting pretty big. I'll put those out in the main garden when the weather gets better, but I keep cutting the tops off of them. You can sort of see in the back here, I cut tops off of them yesterday. We got 3 bags, gallon bags of collard greens, and then this great area for Swiss chard. And Swiss chard's sort of like an interesting spinach, but look at the size of those leaves. They're great to saute with some of the garlic and onions and peppers this time of year you can buy from the store. But those I will plant also out in the garden when the weather is better.